Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Plum Nature Studio Kohl Kajal. I had heard a lot about Plum Kajal pencil, so I thought of buying it. The price was of $4.95 and with this pack we get a free sharpener worth 150 rupees. It is an international brand made in Germany. This product consists of 1.2 grams. I had heard so much about this product, so I had to buy and try this out, and I was so much convinced that it is a smudge proof kajal. And this is the sharpener that we get with it. There is a covering over this kohl pencil which we have to peel it. So I can tell you that it is buttery soft, and yet it is smudge proof. That is so unbelievable. And this is another swipe, another swipe. I was just trying that how easily it glides, and now we have to wait for a few seconds and see is it smudge proof. And this is the sharpener. It opens like this. So right now I am trying to smudge and make a mess on my hand, but believe me guys, I am trying it very hardly and it is 100% smudge proof. Can you believe this? Now my hands are even paining. I again tried. Now I am applying this kohl pencil and let's see how brilliant black it is and how smudge proof it is. I am applying it very softly, not even pushing the pencil against my rim. Just sliding it very lightly, and you can see how the color payoff is. It works like exactly a liquid liner does. That is why it is said it is a 2-in-1 kohl pencil cum liner. In the next video, I will show you how it worked as a liner. So here again I am trying to smudge and nothing is happening guys. I give this kohl pencil 100 out of 100 and will recommend it to all the girls who want a jet black color and smudge proof. For more videos like this, keep watching my channel. Do like and subscribe and press that bell icon. It's signing off from Honey.